Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Fungeyes is probably one of the most innovative and exciting products to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique and immersive experience that blends the digital and physical worlds in ways we've only dreamed of before. Imagine stepping into a new dimension, where your senses are heightened, and the possibilities for exploration and interaction are virtually limitless, all thanks to the cutting-edge technology packed into this remarkable device. This isn't just another gadget, it's a gateway to experiences that will redefine how you perceive and engage with entertainment, education, and even everyday life, making it a must-have for anyone seeking the next frontier in personal technology. Number 5. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Tired of puffiness and bags under your eyes? Discover a solution designed to address these concerns effectively. It's time to refresh your look. Experience intense hydration thanks to the power of hyaluronic acid. This key ingredient helps to plump and moisturize the delicate skin around your eyes. Feel the difference it makes. Benefit from the calming properties of niacinamide. It works to soothe the skin and improve its overall appearance. Enjoy a more comfortable and radiant under-eye area. Enriched with a unique marine botanical complex, this cream helps to revitalize tired-looking skin. It works to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Reveal a brighter gaze. Our oil-free formula is gentle enough for daily use and has been ophthalmologist tested. You can trust it to care for your sensitive eye area. Feel confident in its safety and efficacy. Give your eyes the care they deserve. This specialized cream works to reduce puffiness and bags, leaving your under-eye area looking smoother and more refreshed. See a visible improvement. What we like. This cream is designed to tackle puffiness and bags under the eyes. It hydrates and soothes the delicate skin with its oil-free formula. If you're looking for a daily moisturizer to combat tired-looking eyes, this is a great choice. What people say. This eye cream has made a noticeable difference in the hydration and smoothness of my under-eye area. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. It layers well under makeup and doesn't cause pilling. With consistent use, my under-eye area looks more refreshed and less dry. I have sensitive skin and I'm happy to say that it doesn't sting or irritate the eye area at all. It feels very gentle and soothing. Number 4. Alaska Bear Silk Sleep Mask. Tired of restless nights? Discover a new level of comfort with our revolutionary sleep mask. Designed for ultimate relaxation, it ensures you wake up refreshed. Say goodbye to uncomfortable pressure on your eyes. Our unique shaped padding provides a gentle, pressure-free fit, allowing your eyes to move freely. Unlike conventional flat masks, ours features an innovative foam insert. This upgrade offers superior comfort and light blocking for deeper, more restorative sleep. Crafted from premium silk, this eye cover feels incredibly soft against your skin. It's gentle and breathable, perfect for sensitive eyes. Maintaining your comfort is simple. This mask is machine washable, making it easy to keep fresh. Enjoy the luxury of deep, uninterrupted sleep every night. What we like. This sleep mask offers a pressure-free sleeping experience with its unique contour design. It effectively blocks out light for deeper rest. If you're a light sleeper or travel frequently, this mask will help you achieve better sleep. What people say. The band that goes around your head is adjustable. The mask itself is so soft and the covering is silky smooth, and there are indentations for your eyes, so there is no pressure on your eyes. Works very well in blocking out all light including parking lot and building high-intensity security lighting and moonlight. Adjustable strap sits comfortably on your head. Eye pads have concave padding on the inside so there's no pressure on your eyes. Fabric is silk so it's very smooth and comfortable on your face. This mask works extremely well for me. The strap was already at the perfect tightness for my head, not too loose, not too tight. Obviously your mileage may vary, but it's adjustable, so there shouldn't be any issues. The fabric is very comfortable, silky smooth, so I really don't notice it on my face. And it stays on incredibly well. I've yet to have it slip far enough off that the light shines through and bothers me, which is all you can ask for. Number 3. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream. Are you struggling with dark circles, puffiness, or wrinkles? Our advanced formula is designed to rejuvenate the delicate skin around your eyes, making you look and feel more refreshed. This powerful anti-aging cream works to smooth fine lines and reduce the appearance of under-eye bags. Experience a visibly firmer and more youthful look. Formulated with sensitive skin in mind, it deeply hydrates without causing irritation. Enjoy comfortable, lasting moisture all day long. It helps improve dryness and restores your skin's natural suppleness. Reveal a brighter, more revitalized appearance. Proudly made in the USA, our eye cream is crafted with quality ingredients. Trust in a product that's made with your skin's health as a priority. What we like. This eye cream is formulated to reduce dark circles and fight wrinkles, while also being gentle enough for sensitive skin. It helps improve dryness and provides an anti-aging effect. If you have sensitive skin and are concerned about aging signs and dark circles, this is the product for you. What people say. This eye cream I have used as a whole face moisturizer and it's amazing. It really moisturizes but doesn't leave me clogged or greasy. I don't use primarily around my eyes, but most eye creams burn or irritate and this one does not. By the end of the first week, I'd had no new pimples, and noticed dramatic lightening in the marks from old pimples, along with a generally even skin tone, and my face felt smoother, softer, calmer, and looked it too. Number 2. KALIYADI Polarized Sunglasses, 3-pack. Introducing KALIYADI Polarized Sunglasses, designed for both men and women. Enjoy a clear and comfortable vision experience with our advanced lenses. These sunglasses feature a sleek matte finish that adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Look good while protecting your eyes. Choose from a range of vibrant color mirror lenses that not only look stylish but also enhance your visual experience. They offer a unique and fashionable appearance. Our lenses provide excellent UV blocking, shielding your eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays. Keep your eyes safe and healthy, no matter the conditions. This convenient 3-pack ensures you always have a pair ready for any occasion. Share them with friends or keep spares for yourself. Get the perfect blend of style, comfort, and protection with KALIYADI Polarized Sunglasses. They are your ideal companion for sunny days. What we like. This pack offers polarized lenses that effectively block UV rays, providing excellent sun protection. You get multiple pairs in a matte finish with color mirror lenses. If you want versatile eyewear for various conditions and appreciate having options, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. The Fungeyes are a great way to explore the world of fungi. The detailed illustrations and descriptions make it easy to identify different species. It's a fun and educational tool for both beginners and experienced mushroom hunters. Number 1. BEACOL Polarized Sports Sunglasses. Experience the world in vibrant color with our advanced polarized lenses. They block harmful UV rays, reduce glare, and enhance clarity for a truly vivid view. Crafted from high-quality, shatterproof TAC and lightweight PC materials, these are built to last. They're perfect for any adventure, from cycling to climbing. Enjoy a comfortable, secure fit thanks to the rimless design and soft, anti-slip nose pads. They stay in place even when you're sweating, ensuring a relaxed feel. With a sleek, rimless jacket design, these offer an unobstructed lower vision field. Available in various stylish color combinations to match your look. Your purchase includes not just the sunglasses, but also a protective hard case, cleaning cloth, pouch, and a screwdriver. It's the complete package for outdoor enthusiasts. What we like. These sunglasses feature HD polarized lenses that block 99.9% of UV rays and restore true color. The lightweight frame is perfect for sports, and they come with a full accessory kit. If you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for high-performance eyewear for activities like cycling or fishing, these are an excellent option. What people say. The nose pad is adjustable, unlike what I read in one of the reviews. It pinches in or out, and that can increase or reduce the distance of the glasses from your face. This is good to adjust for comfort or to get some airflow in there to reduce fogging. I prefer a minimal frame, so I have the greatest field of vision, and these do a good job at that. It comes with an unexpectedly nice hard case, and a soft cover, and a lens wipe. The polarized lenses make a big difference in cutting glare. They feel lightweight but sturdy, and I like that they work for a bunch of different activities like running or cycling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.